Okay, guys, this is how the viewers voted, and let's go on. Week one, Wanni X Handy had 16.91% votes. Week two, we said week one, Double K had 13.73% votes. Neleta 13.70% votes. Shatoria 10.73% votes. Mbadiwe Twins 8, Ace 7, Zinwe 7, Flourish 5.8, Checkers 5.2, Radicals 5.1, and week 2, Double K grew to 18.46%, Wanni X Handy dropped to 15.27% votes, Checkers 14.78, that was after Onyeka's cry. Neleta 12.42, Shatoria 9.84, Ace 8.14%, Beta 5.70, Radicals 5.61, Ndinne 4.18, Zinwe 3.70, Flourish 1.90. Now let's look at how they grow over time. In week 2, now let's go to week 3, Double K 21.08 percentage, Checkers 13.73, Ace 12.58, Zinwe 9.59, Shatoria 9.43, Mbadiwe Twins 8.34, Beta 7.06, Radicals 6.34, Flourish 6.25, Streaks Streets 5.60, and that is week 3. Now let's move to week 4. Let's move to week 4. In week 4, we have Double K to be 32.12%. You see that One X hand actually grew with time in the finale, because can you see Double K here, the margin here, and Wanni X Handy in week 4, 23. So Wanni X Handy later grew with time. Even Checkers have grown at this point. Checkers 17.34, Beta 14.04, Zinwe 12.76. And that was the moment Beta left the house. So if we check this Double K and Wanni here, the margin was high here. And in week 5, this is week 5. So Wanni X Handy have not actually topped Double K before. Wanni X Handy never topped Double K. Double K 39.76 in week 5. Wanni X Handy 32.15. Ace 17.73. Radicals 10.36. And that was the moment Radicals was evicted, or we are evicted. So you see that Double K was actually leading Wanni X Handy a lot until the finale. So now let's go in week 7. In week 7, they have splitted them, and Kellyrea was up. Kellyrea 25.56, Victoria 12.50, Tofa 12.38, Sean 10.10%, Kassia 10.02%, Ozzy 9.74, Suj 8.33%, Ben 7.43%, and Chizoba 3.94. I asked myself, why didn't Checkers vote for Chizoba at this point? And in this one, Wanni and Handy were up, and it was only Kassia that was up. So Kassia had 18.19%, and Nelly, wow, Nelly have some people voting for her. Nelly had 15.83%, Aneta 13.99%, Onyeka 13.90%, Wanni 13%, Victoria 11%, Sean 8.94%, Handy 3.99, and TJ just 1% vote. That 1% vote will be his family, his wife. So, and in week 9, Kellyrea was not up, so Wanni was up. So Wanni 22.73, Onyeka 16.31. You see how rapidly Onyeka grew. Nelly 14.90, Victoria 11.87, Anita 10.57, Ozzy 9.13, Kassia 7.85, Tofa 6.32, and OC 0.32. I mean, this is where Double K should go and thank themselves. Could it mean that Kassia was able to go ahead of Ozzy? All right, so and of course, this is finally, and OZ Kellyrea have 35.95, and Wanni 32.48, Onyeka 11.46, Victoria 8.23, Nelly 4.42, Uzi 3.53, and Anita, okay, Anita 2.73 with Suj 1.18. Of course, that was the moment. Of course, Kellyrea won the show. Shout out to them. I mean, Double K as a duo. I think that if they have allowed the show to go as a duo, Double K would have more fan base. Because some persons we are arguing if to vote for Kassia or to vote for Kellyrea. If both of them had been a dash show to the finale, they will not win it because that last you see that Double K was actually giving Wanni Onyeka some gap, but in that finale, the situation changed. The situation really changed. Yeah, this is Naya Trends. Keep watching.
Because even if you're outside the country, you can also order because we're going to have like gift vouchers you can just pay for and send to your loved ones. They'll have like limited amount of food they can order with a certain gift voucher you buy. So just stay locked in.
Stay locked in. Locked in, locked in. Let me bring one finger there. Let me cross with your own because I'm using my. You guys, I hope you saw what's happening in the house with that fried rice. So don't dull yourself.
Of course. We have all the. Don't worry. When you see the menu tomorrow, you will.
Please set for me and Su's eating competition. Me, I'm ready.
Yes, I came of course. Two of you. I'm scared. I don't know who's going to eat more. You, I'm scared of you because all those food you just eat them quietly like this.
Don't worry. Just ready like.
But Sujad, that one.